Hi, this is Ahana Bhattacharya and I am currently reporting from one of the most haunted villages of India, Kuldhara, located in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Kuldhara is an abandoned ghost village located about 17 kilometers from Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, and you can see that the ruins of the village are still visible. Popularly known as Ghost Village, Kuldhara was established by Paliwal Brahmins in the 13th century. As per the local folklore, the residents of Kuldhara had disappeared overnight. But what had happened to them? What led to the overnight disappearance of a village full of people? The entire population got wiped away in one single night. Let's get inside the story. According to the local folklore, Salim Singh, a wicked Dewan, wanted to marry the daughter of the village head by force. He had threatened the village headman that if he did not get his daughter, they would face dire consequences. Despite the threat, the village headman did not bow down, and it is believed that to save one girl from that wicked Diwan, the residents of Kuldhara and 83 surrounding villages disappeared overnight. If you see the houses, if you see the ruins, you will get a look and feel of the same. Currently just the ruins remain, but it is very evident that at one point of time, there was human population living in this area. It was a place full of life, bustling with activities, but currently completely abandoned. While in the daytime, tourists flock to this area, nobody is allowed after sunset due to alleged paranormal presence in the area. It is believed when the Paliwal Brahmins fled from this village, they had cursed this land that it would never be inhabited again. And for so many years, this land is like this. It's completely abandoned. It's completely vacant with not a soul to be seen nearby. However, currently it has become a popular tourist spot with many tourists flocking the area.
पंडितों का ये गांव था, एक राजस्थान में एक सिटी पड़ता है जोधपुर के नेर में पाली मारवाड़। तो ये पाली से आए थे, इसलिए इन्हें पालीवाल के नाम से जाना जाता था। ये गांव सुख संपन्न और सबसे अमीर गांव था। के पास क्या है, बढ़ती धन संपत्ति को देख जैसलमेर के राजा ने इस गांव के ऊपर कर लगा दिया था। तो यहाँ पर एक राजा का मिनिस्टर हुआ करता था सालम सिंह, वो यहाँ पर टैक्स कलेक्शन करने के लिए आया करता था। उसकी नज़र इस गांव के जो मुखिया थे उनकी बेटी पर पड़ गई, तो गांव वालों से कहने लगा कि मैं इस लड़की से शादी करना चाहता हूं, और इन ब्राह्मणों ने मना कर दिया कि हम ब्राह्मण हैं, ब्राह्मण समाज से आते हैं, आप अलग समाज से हो, अगर हम आपको अपनी बेटी देंगे तो हम इस समाज से बाहर हो जाएंगे और हमारा धर्म है जो भ्रष्ट हो जाएगा, हम आपको अपनी बेटी नहीं दे सकते। तो मुखिया ने बोला आप ऐसा कुछ मत करना, ऐसे हमारी इज्जत चली जाएगी, हमें कुछ सोचने का वक्त दे दो। तो सालम सिंह ने 10 दिन का टाइम दे दिया, तो 10 दिन के अंदर इन्होंने अपने 84 गांव की मीटिंग करके एक ही रात में गांव छोड़कर चले गए।
There are separate theories as well. While the legend focuses on the curse, there are other theories which talk about a probable earthquake which led to overnight wiping out of the entire population, while some even say that a severe water shortage in the area led to local residents abandoning the place. While we don't know which theory we should be believing right now, but as per the local legends and as per accounts from tourists, we have got to know that Kuldhara is believed to be one of the most haunted villages of India, with several tourists even reporting paranormal activities. Some of the tourists have even said that they have seen something strange. They have heard noises in the evening towards sunset. We don't know which is true, which is not. But yes, there are accounts, there are multiple reports talking about the same. Kuldhara में क्या सच में भूत है या नहीं है? To know the truth, you have to come here and explore. It is a short day trip from Jaisalmer, roughly about 17 kilometers. But with a warning, do not attempt to stay here after sunset. It might be risky, it might be dangerous. So visit at your own risk. With cameraman Agniv Sanyal, Ahana Bhattacharya reporting from Kuldhara, Rajasthan for the CSR Journal.